If your Dell monitor refuses to power on, begin with the basics. First, test the wall outlet by plugging in another device to confirm it's working. Power issues are often caused by a dead outlet or a loose plug. Next, firmly reseat the monitor's power cable on both ends. Even a slightly loose connection can prevent startup. Now inspect your video cable. Make sure your HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cable is securely connected to both the monitor and your computer. A faulty or disconnected video cable can make it seem like the monitor is off when it's actually just not receiving a signal. Check the monitor's power LED. If there's no light at all, the monitor likely isn't getting power. If the light is amber or orange, the monitor has power but isn't detecting a video signal. In that case, confirm the correct input source is selected using the monitor's menu buttons. If everything looks connected properly, perform a hard reset. Unplug the monitor from power, wait about 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears minor internal glitches. Also, update your graphics and monitor drivers through Windows Device Manager or Dell Support Assist to rule out software conflicts. As a final step, run the monitor's built-in self-test by disconnecting all cables except power. If the test fails, contact Dell support with your monitor's service tag or PPID ready.